So, over the last few years, both OSHA and MSHA cut the amount of respirable crystalline silica that you can be exposed to in an average workday in half. Now, this means a couple things, but one is that people are going to be using more respiratory protection along with other controls. So let's dig into a silica respirator and see how it works. I love doing this. I love seeing what's inside things because they're always so much simpler than you'd think they're going to be. If you like our YouTube videos, make sure to check out our video subscription to access over 150 video courses. Check it out at allysafety.com. Hi, I'm Rachel from Ally Safety. I'm an experienced safety professional and industrial hygienist, and today we're talking about how half-face respirators that protect against silica actually work. If you want to see our full-length training, check out the link below. So here's the thing. The permissible exposure limits for respirable crystalline silica, and yes, try to say that 3 times, have been decreased by half. The reason is too many people were still getting sick with silicosis. And the reason for that is simple. Silica is prevalent throughout the earth and one of the main ingredients in the earth's crust. So anywhere that you create rock dust, like cutting, grinding, making gravel, mining, cutting granite countertops, you have the potential for silica exposure. And when silica gets into your deep lungs, you cannot get it out. And the result can be silicosis as well as lung diseases. So the goal here is simple. First, try to fully eliminate the dust because we want to stop those particles before they ever get into your lungs. And if you can't eliminate all the dust and a respirator is one of the tools in the arsenal to protect your lungs, it really helps to know how they work. So let's open one up. I'm going to be talking about this specific silica dust respirator kit. I chose to talk about this one because it comes as a full setup that's designed to work as one system, which simplifies things for people who are just getting started. And when I told Sunstrom I wanted to take a look at this one on the Ally Safety YouTube channel, they were nice enough to give us a coupon code. So if any of you are interested in this kit, you can get a discount using the code on the screen or in the description below. So with this setup, you have a half mask respirator, but it's slightly different than these two on my sides. What's different about this one is rather than having dual cartridges, it has a single one. What you get is a reusable half mask respirator, 2 packs of Prefilters, the Prefilter holder, a P100 cartridge, a cleaning wipe, and an ID label. Then what I really like about this one is you can use the box to store your respirator so you don't contaminate it and also avoid fines from OSHA. So there's that. To start with, this mask uses a really flexible silicone, which makes getting a good fit just that much easier. The other factor you want to consider whenever you're looking at respirators is breathing resistance. Now, this one, I don't know why we don't talk about more in safety, but it's actually a huge factor in getting people to actually wear their respirators. Because if it's hard to breathe, you won't want to wear the respirator because any sane person will prioritize being able to breathe. Now, this specific design I like because it provides 250% more airflow, so you can do heavy work with less fatigue. Okay, that's the half mask. Now, let's look at the fun part, the actual filtering parts. What is different about this one is you've got this pre-filter on the outside that catches the larger particles first. Now, think of this like screening gravel. You run it over the big screen first to pull out all the large stuff so it doesn't clog up the finer stuff in the finer filter system beneath. Now, this outer layer, the pre-filter, is just a coarse fiber pad. So they are super easy to swap out, and doing that helps your main P100 filter last up to 5 times longer. And the reason that you want these to last longer is because these pre-filters run about 50 cents a piece in today's economy, while a P100 like this can be $12 to $15 depending on the setup. So if you've ever wondered what's inside one of these P100 cartridges, let's take a look. And that's as easy as it is. I love doing this. I love seeing what's inside things because they're always so much simpler than you'd think they're gonna be. Okay, so if we are opening it up, you can see there's this paper-like product inside. Now, P100 cartridges are really common in a lot of industries, and you'll see them come in different sizes and shapes. They're usually a pink or purple that the industry insists on calling magenta. Now, this particular P100 in this kit offers 10 times more effectiveness than is required by NIOSH. It's easy to install, and if you need other filters, you can actually stack them on top. So you can have it protect against silica as well as other substances. Now, what this looks like inside is paper, but it's actually a dense, non-woven fiber mat that's folded to create more surface area. What happens is, as air moves through, it has to change directions around all those different folds. Now, the particles can't follow those turns easily, so they slam into the fibers and get stuck, filtering out the silica and leaving behind just clean air. Now, let's look at the surface area of the paper inside, because I want to see how much of this there actually is. So see all these little layers of paper? I shouldn't call it paper. It's a non-woven mat. And that's it. This is a very simple solution to a complex problem without a lot of things that can go wrong. You know, the fewer moving parts, the fewer things that can break down. So that's what's inside your Silica respirator. Now that I've ruined that one, let's put this together and I'll show you how it actually looks and how it fits. So once you open it up, there's arrows and it says this side towards face. So obviously it's gonna go this side in. I will say, of the half mask respirators that I've tried, some are kind of plasticky. This one's definitely, I would say, like, you don't want to say softer, that's not quite it, because they're not rough, but it's just like it's more flexible. Then we'll put a pre-filter in, and it just goes in really easily like this, kind of pops right into a notch there. And then what you do is it snaps on the front. Okay. Now, as with any respirator, it needs to be donned correctly.
Can you hear me now? Good. Seal check. So here you got two exhalation valves. You got the single inlet here, single cartridge, a little bit different than the ones that we're used to seeing. And this is what you find in a half mask silica dust respirator kit.
So remember, if you've got a good seal, the right cartridge, and a respirator that you can actually wear all day, you're in a much better position to protect your lungs. I hope that helps you to understand what your respirator is made of and how it works. As always, take care and stay safe. Hi, Rachel from Ally Safety here. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out the Ally Safety Toolbox Talk membership at allysafety.com. There you'll find an entire library of videos that are created to make safety entertaining. I'll see you there at allysafety.com.